This is page 8, number 4. I forgot to set up my new part studio, and I'm going to rename it right from the beginning. So, page 8, 4. Just keep in mind, you guys should be doing that the whole time, just naming these so you know what they are. As I mentioned, I'm starting my sketch on the right plane, normal too. And the front looks like these two L's. I'm just going to make part of this. So I'm drawing over, and the depth overall is 1 5/8. And the overall height of it was 3. So I could extrude this, or I could make this appear like these two L's, which is what I had mentioned I would do. So I have a line that goes over, and it's at 3/8, and then up. And I have another line here that's 5/8. And this goes in 5/8. And draw it down. Alright, so the reason this line is blue is I don't have a dimension height. So I'm typing D, selecting these 2 points. And this is 5/8 as well. Alright, so when I extrude, I'm only extruding the middle portion of this. So right here. And the total length is 4.5. I don't know if that typed in properly. It did. Alright, so now I can do the next part of this all in one. So I'll start a sketch right here. I'm trying to make the front look like this. So there'll be 2 holes and a rectangular cutout at 2 1/8 by 1. So I'll start with the rectangle at 2 1/8, 2 plus 1 divided by 8 by 1. And then these 2 holes, I'll add a few constraints. So these are horizontal to one another. The height from the bottom up was 1 5/16. Each one is 2 1/4 away from one another. And it looks like from this edge in is located 1. The last thing that I need is a dimension for this hole, which is 5/8. Just to remind you, you can use an equal constraint just by selecting the 2. Choose an equal. You could also define them. Now I'll extrude, remove through all, and you want to select all 3 of these faces. Here's it in the isometric view. This is what you're provided with. So that does complete what was page 8, number 4.